All right, we're starting off with 2 jars of our Alfredo sauce in our crock pot. I went ahead and emptied those jars off camera, and now I'm bringing in my 3 large chicken breasts, and we're just placing those right inside of our Alfredo sauce. This is gonna be a super easy and delicious crock pot dinner, perfect for the new year. With our chicken and our Alfredo, I'm gonna add a jar of our sun-dried tomatoes, and we want that liquid in there too, because that's what's gonna make it extra flavorful. Oh my goodness, I love sun-dried tomatoes. This is gonna add the best flavor. Next, of course, we're gonna add some garlic. I'm just gonna add about a tablespoon of garlic right in there with all of those other delicious ingredients. Oh my gosh, garlic smells so good. Now it's time to season. We're gonna start off with some pepper. And you can season this however you like, but I'm seasoning it how I like and kind of going off of a traditional recipe. If you guys know what I'm making, let me know in the comments because it's gonna be so delicious. And we're gonna add a little bit of salt, not too much because the Alfredo sauce does have a good amount of sodium. Now we have some oregano leaves. Oh, super flavorful, super delicious. We're gonna make sure to season this very well. Perfect. Now I'm gonna use some thyme leaves. Oh yeah, look at all those beautiful herbs in there. You can use fresh thyme and oregano, but it's so much easier to use, the dried stuff because you already have it in your kitchen and you don't need to buy anything extra.
It still tastes good.
Yeah, we have some paprika. Oh, I love paprika. I love paprika on everything.
Paprika.
Exactly. And then last but not least, some of you guys are gonna fight me on this one, but red pepper crushed. I like the heat, but if you don't, skip it. That's totally fine. And if you're making it for kids, maybe you wanna skip it as well, but for me and my husband, we like the red crushed pepper.
I use that in everything.
Yeah, it's just too good not to. All right, and then now I'm gonna add 1 whole bag of shredded mozzarella. Extra cheesy, pleasy. Woo!
Ooh, ooh.
Now you can shred your own cheese, but I wanted this to be super easy and super quick, so that's why I'm doing it this way. We have a bag of Parmesan cheese. Oh my goodness, all those delicious cheeses. We're just gonna kind of go ahead and give this like a little mix. We don't need to do anything too crazy because we have those huge pieces of chicken in there, but just kind of get those flavors melded together before we start cooking this up, just so that cheese can melt with that sauce, those seasonings get with that chicken. Oh yeah, doesn't that look incredible?
Oh, it looks so cheesy, delicious, and beautiful.
Oh yeah, all my favorite things in one pot.
It's like you.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this lid on and we're gonna pop this on high and let it cook. All right, you guys, it's been 3 hours on high. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off and let's check it out.
Whoa.
Oh yeah. Would you look at that? Smells delicious, looks delicious. It is time to shred that chicken, and you guys know my favorite way to shred it, your hand mixer. Okay, I turn this on and then get right in there and turn. Ooh, this will also help kind of cut up that red pepper too. So it's a 2-for-1 and mix everything up.
I'm in the splash zone.
Come on, chicken, don't be shy. It wants to. There we go. Perfect. All right, look how beautiful that looks.
Wow, it smells delicious too.
Okay, we got one more step, my favorite step. Let's go ahead and turn this off. Now, we add our cooked spaghetti noodles. Oh my. I have my pasta spoon and we're gonna give this a nice mix. So this is called Marry Me Chicken Pasta. Like I said, you guys have probably made this before, and this is my favorite way to make it inside the crock pot. You can make it in the oven, but this is how I like to do it, and look how delicious that looks.
Are you asking me to marry you right now?
It's too late, we're already married. Okay, now let's go ahead and get this nicely mixed, and then we can give it a try. Got my bowl plate. Oh, That looks absolutely incredible. Woo! Got your chicken, the red peppers, the spaghetti, the garlic, the everything. Give it a nice twirl. Dinner is ready.
Is it good?